Jeff Howdy Show with eSmartJob.com. Today I am going to help you install a WordPress plugin called Optimal Title. What Optimal Title does is it changes the way the title is displayed on the browser and also in search results. I wrote a article about it here on my blog, and actually took some of the information from Aaron Schaefer when he wrote this plugin a while back and his installation instructions. However, what we're going to do here is go through all the steps in order to get this thing installed, downloaded, installed, and working properly. If you'll notice, I have a blog here, a test blog with a post in here, 3 necessary tools for high rolling affiliate marketing. You'll notice up here in the title it has the name of the blog, then an archive, and then the title of the post. We want to get this changed around so the title of the post, what the search engines are going to see and people searching are going to see, is the title of the post. More relevant information, we want to show them that first. So on my blog here, I updated some of the information that Aaron wrote on his blog on the installation instructions. He wrote it over here back in September 8th of 2004 on the Elastic Dog, the WordPress plugin Optimal Title. And if you scroll down here, it tells you some things about it. It gives you some installation instructions here, but for those who aren't very familiar with WordPress and working with templates, we're going to take a few extra steps here and show you exactly what needs to be done in order to get this thing to work. So back on my blog here, we'll go down to the installation instructions. The first thing he does is tells you to download Optimal Title. Now if you just click on that, you're going to open up a text, a browser of just text, and he suggests you copy this and post it and paste it into a text document and then change the extension to .php. What we can do here is just right click on this, and I wrote some of the instructions, several different ways to do it, but we're going to save link as, and you'll notice that the default comes up as a text document. What we're going to do here is go down and drop down and save it to all files, and then we're going to click in the file name and put the .php right behind it now, and we're going to download it as a PHP file, so we don't have to do anything else with that other than upload it to our web hosting account. So we're going to save that. That's done. Clean that up. Now we're going to go over to our WordPress dashboard, and what we need to do here is go to plugins. We're in the main, logged in. We're going to go to plugins, and you'll notice if you don't have an installer installed, there's a sub menu down here, Install Plugin, and this is another plugin I highly recommend. It's called the Installer. What this plugin does is allows you to upload themes and plugins right from the WordPress admin or dashboard, so you don't have to upload any of the files to your web hosting account. So go grab that one too. It's a pretty good plugin. So what we're going to do here is we're in the plugins main menu. We're going to go over to the Install Plugin sub menu and simply upload the Optimal Title plugin. Click Browse, Upload, and then hit Install File. And you can see that it was installed. Now we need to go over to plugins and activate that. Go down here, you'll see that it's not activated. Over on the right, we'll click activate, and now that plugin is activated. The instructions tell you to simply open up your header template. In your header PHP file, replace the function WordPress title with Optimal Title. So we're going to try that. Let's go here. We're going to go to Presentation. We're going to go to Theme Editor. Notice that I have just the default theme here. Go to Theme Editor, and then all of the files associated with that theme come up on the right side, and what we need to do is change some of the code in the header template. But when we do that, you'll notice that there's no way to edit that because this file is not writable. It's protected or not writable in our web hosting account. So what we need to do is go over to your hosting account. Mine is Host for Profit. I'm in the web panel here. We go to File Manager. And then where I have that test blog is just in a folder called Test. Yours may vary, usually in blog, or it could be in the main directory. We're looking for the WordPress content, WP content folder, the themes folder, and the theme we're working with is the default folder, or default theme. And we need to find the header. Here's the header.php file. We need to change the file permissions on this so we can write to it from within our WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to click on the number there, bring this down in the middle, and type in 777 and click OK. And it was changed. Now we should be able to edit this file. Let's refresh this page. And now you'll notice that that text is gone down here, and we have the option to update the file. Now there's a step that's very important whenever you're working within any of these template files or any of the files with a theme file. Before you start doing anything in here, I highly recommend that you copy all the code in here. I'm going to select all, hit copy, and just paste it into Notepad temporarily, and you can even save it if you want. I'm going to call this header backup. Just save it temporarily so if anything does happen you can put things back the way they were. So let's go back over to the instructions. What we need to do is add some code into that header.php file. He has two samples here. Here's a sample of the original code of what we're looking for. We'll find that in a minute. He's giving us a simple version and a little more complex version. I suggest you grab this code here. Just copy this, copy it from my site or his if you're on his site. Copy that. Now we're going back to the header. Make sure you're in the header.php file, and you're looking for the code between the title tags. And here is the title tags. Here, let's move this down, and here. So we copied that code. We're going to paste this into our header template and replace those title tags, or the code between the title tags, with the new code, and paste. And you'll see that we have a few extra things in there. And we're going to scroll down, click Update File, and now let's go over. Here's that post. This is on the blog where we were working on. You'll notice that I haven't refreshed it yet, so let's hit refresh, and now you see up here the post name, the description, comes up first, then the blog name. So there you have it. We've just installed a optimal title WordPress plugin. I hope that helps, and good luck in your blogging. Thank you.